Hello, my name is Kaikalagi Kasusandrujasinga, and today I'm going to do the assignment 1 for BIT353, Network Architecture and Protocols, and my lecturer is John Rankin. And from this assignment, I'm gonna demonstrate how to connect to VoIP clients over a single server, and also between two servers. And to start with, I've already logged into EduLabs, and we've got 2 PBX servers and 3 VoIP clients. I'm only going to use only 2 clients, and the PBX servers are already up. This is the server 1, and the IP address is 192.168.25.21, and for the PBX server 2 it's the same address, but with .22. So what we're gonna do next is I'm gonna bring up the VoIP client 1. This is the VoIP client 1, and this is the VoIP client 2. So first we're going to demonstrate how to connect to VoIP clients over a single server. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to log into the free PBX site, and I'm going to delete these 3. I've done this assignment before, but I couldn't record the video with my face, so I'm redoing it. So I'm deleting everything. Sections, activity. So yes, I deleted everything, so playing it. So what I'm gonna do now is go to applications, extensions, and I'm going to add 2 extensions to perform a VoIP call. So we're gonna add new SIP. Okay, so I'm going to name this SIP as 1, 2, 3. And the display name is for our preference, my name, first name, and the outbound CID, that means what's the ID for the receiver. So I'll put my name, that's the extension, and password. Okay, so create as a new user, submit, and I'm gonna add another extension. That's I'll name it 124, and the display name again for our preference. Outbounds password B3. Okay, submit, apply. So alright, for the moment we've got 2 extensions, 123 and 124. Now I'm going to open the micro SIP, and I got 2 accounts already, so I'm going to delete those accounts. Yes. So what I'm going to do now is from VoIP client 1, I'm going to add account, and I'm adding the first extension to here. SIP server is we made the extensions in server 1, so it's the server 1. 3, same as this. Now the password should be the password we've put up in the add new extension tab. So save. So the first extension is online, so I'm gonna take the second web client and delete this, and I'm gonna add the second extension, same server. Paste. Okay, save. So both extensions are online now, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to call from 1.2 for extension to 1.2.3. So as you can see, my number is my middle name is popping up because we put it up there. Hello. So it's working. And we'll try 1.2.4. So it's working as well. Yep. So the extension part is done. We've successfully established a connection between the same server. So the next part is adding trunks, which is connecting two different servers over to VoIP clients. So what we're gonna do now is go to connectivity, trunks, and we have to add a trunk name. I'll put S1 to S2 because server 1 to server 2, this is the server 1, and dot 2 is the server 2. So one call ID, I'll name the same thing, submit. SIP server, we have to enter SIP server. SIP server should be the destination, the other server destination server number, so which is 192.168.25.22. so submit. So we've added a trunk. So what we're gonna do now is from is so what we're gonna do now is this is the PBX2 server, which ending in 2.2. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to go to connectivity. We have to add a trunk, same as that. This is server 2, this is server 2 to server 1. So I'll put server 2 to server 1. So when you have to define a server here, it should be the other server, which is the server 1. So we can use a username. So I'll put my username here. So submit. So apply. Okay, so now we have two trunks, one from server 2 to server 1 and server 2 to server 1 to server 2. So what we can do now is we have to go to connectivity again, and we have to put an outbound route to route to trunk. So outbound route. So route name, route call ID. You can put server path 2. So I'll put this one as well. This is just defines, you can put anything. So this is, since it's going to the server path 2, ending server path here. You can add password if you want. So this part is important because we have to link our trunk to the outbound route. So we already have a trunk to server 1 to server 2, so we have to put this submit, and we have to put a dial pattern. I'll put a 3-digit dial pattern and apply. So we have to do the same for server 2 and outbound route. So I'll put this as server path 1. Okay, pass it. I will leave it as it is. And again, we have to match the trunk sequence. So from this, it's server 2 to server 1. Submit. 3-digit pattern. Apply. Okay, so we've now added 2 trunks for each service, so server 1 to server 2 and server 2 to server 1. What we're gonna do now is we have to add extensions to those trunks. So we're going to extensions again. So these 2 are internal extensions. So what we're gonna do now is add a new extension. I'll put this as 1 to 6, and the display name is S1. Outbound caller ID will be S1. So when we are getting a call from this extension, the receiver will show as custom S1. And password. Okay. Submit. Apply. So we have to add an extension to this as well. Extension. I'll put this as 127. Display name. Call ID will be S2. So when we make a call from this extension to another extension, the call ID will be under S2. So 3, submit. Okay, so we have all the extensions we need. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna add account name will be 1 to 6. So except server, since we made it in made the 1 to 6 extension in the first server. 1 to 1 6, copy, paste. Save. So yeah, that account is online. So for the second line I'm going to apply this. account 7. The SIP server should be 122 because we made the 127 extension in the second server. And 7, copy, paste. Okay, so I just put the same password to everything, but you can obviously change your password. So both extensions are online over 2 servers. So what I'm going to do now is, this is the extension 127. This is the extension 126. So I'm going to call 126. So as you can see, it's working, and the rest too. So it's, as you can see, it's working, and the call ID is showing as well. Hello. So it's working. So if we try 127 from here, so it's working. Right. So as you can see, the trunks are working fine because we just managed to connect 2 web servers, web clients over to PBX servers, and in the early part we connected 2 extensions in the same server as well. So it's working. So I think the assignment is done. Alright, thank you very much for your time, and yep, that's it. Thanks.